is Rob. At first glance, he is just a regular man. But that's only at first glance. In reality, he has super abilities. Because he has VOLTERMAN. At first glance, VOLTERMAN is just a regular wallet. But that's only at first glance. In reality, it has a stunning design, and it's packed with super abilities. The smart wallet helps Rob in a variety of situations. Once, when he was out with his girlfriend, Rob left his wallet in the cab. But VOLTERMAN notifies when it's been left behind and is being tracked easily by its owner. VOLTERMAN is the only wallet with worldwide traceability.
Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you, and I've got your photos opening it right here.
You are my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got VOLTERMAN.
Rob's lifestyle is very active, and occasionally he forgets his phone in crowded places. But VOLTERMAN notifies you when you've left your phone behind.
Excuse me? That's my phone. Thanks. Got it.
Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got VOLTERMAN.
And there's more. VOLTERMAN has great functions for travelers as well. When you need internet anywhere in the world, instead of expensive roaming, you can use VOLTERMAN's Wi-Fi hotspot, which is way cheaper than regular roaming.
Go ahead, talk as long as you want.
I'm telling you, I'm my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got VOLTERMAN.
Sometimes, at very important moments, your battery dies.
Cut. This is a problem that happens way too often. We can't have just one scene in the video for this. Folks, you try and remember how many times your phone has died at the worst possible moment. When you're filming your kid's performance and right in the middle of it, your phone shuts down. Or imagine you have to tell your date you're running late. Picture that disaster. Or your battery dies in the middle of an important business call. Your online poker tournament is interrupted. You're lost and you can't look up online maps. Not only is VOLTERMAN super slim and ultra lightweight, but it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
You're my Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got VOLTERMAN.
The idea of VOLTERMAN started 2 years ago, and our team of engineers and designers have been working tirelessly on creating a perfect mix of design and technology. And here it is in its final shape, packed with super abilities.
Oh, 45 minutes. Oh. Is that your VOLTERMAN again?
Not this time. That was all me. Your personal Superman. So, what do you think? Did they understand they need to back this project in order to get VOLTERMAN into their pockets? Folks, we are so close to finalizing this project, but we need your help to start manufacturing VOLTERMAN. So back this project today, and let's make this a reality.
Here's Dobby.
This is a very small selfie drone. It can even be charged by a power bank. It weighs only 199 grams, 0.4 millimeters thick. Also reduced the core board by 90%. Small means this is a selfie drone that can be put into your pocket. You only need 5 minutes and you can become a drone expert. Use the app on your cell phone to make it fly. When it takes off on your palm, it's Dobby. And you can do this, and you can do that. Voice manipulated. Tap to take off. Wow! Also toss it to fly. It is very small, but it resists the wind. It flies freely both indoors and outdoors. And it can even hover inside. So you can take clear selfies in different scenes. The picture is so vivid. Real-time mode, continuous mode, time-delayed mode, and appearance advanced mode. Of course, it has excellent performance on video shooting too. You can easily control it all through your cell phone. So, those photos are synchronized to your cell phone photo album in real time. One key to share to your favorite social media. The power of regular drones and the power of Dobby to go beyond them. Well, it is small, but not too small to carry gifts, to bring surprises to loved ones. It can show off, one-click rolling. Dobby can fly by gesture control. It detects and tracks your face. It can automatically follow moving objects. Even if you shake it unintentionally, it automatically adjusts to stable shooting. Unprecedented cool experience, all integrated in this palm-sized pocket Dobby. This is the future in your hands. Another interesting function is automatic trajectory video shooting, which is used in classical movies. Yes, this is Dobby, a portable selfie drone that allows you unlimited creativity. Let Dobby shine your life.